Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to fix sensitive content settings if not working. If you are not able to see sensitive content on Twitter, or whenever you try to see a sensitive content, Twitter displays an error like this is like sensitive content, stuff like that. So here is exactly how to turn off this so that you can have full control over your Twitter account. You can see anything you want. So if you go to your Twitter app on your iPhone or Android phone, like when you click your profile in the top left, you won't be able to find any settings to turn off the Twitter sensitive content. But the only solution I found is to use the web version to turn off this feature, and then you can then go back to your app that you normally use on your iPhone or Android phone. So what you want to do, guys, you want to open your browser and then search for twitter.com login. Okay, you want to search for twitter.com login and click go, and then click in the top, it says here login into Twitter. You want to click it, and if you are not logged in already, you want to just type in your username and password, and that's exactly how you can log in using the web version. So don't go to app, like I said, you want to go to Google and then search for twitter.com. After that, if you are now on the web version, you want to click in the top left, you want to click your profile, and after that you want to scroll down. At the very bottom you can see here settings and support. You want to click it, and after that you want to scroll down a little bit and click settings and privacy as you can see here, settings and privacy. And after that you want to click on privacy and safety. Now if you are here, you want to click on your tweets. As you can see, the second option, it says here your tweets. After that you want to mark media you tweet as material that may be sensitive. You want to go back, it's not here, just go back and click on content you see. The third option, it says here content you see. And now you want to check this box. As you can see here, it says here display media that may contain sensitive content. You want to check this, make sure this is turned on. I have turned it on now. So after that, at the very bottom, it says here search settings. You want to click on search settings at the very bottom. And now what you want to do, guys, you want to uncheck all of these. So it says here hide sensitive content. You want to uncheck this. At the very bottom, it says here remove blocked and muted accounts. You want to uncheck it too. Now what you want to do, guys, you want to close all of these. Okay, you want to close all of this, and now open your app on your iPhone and see if the problem is resolved. If not, what you want to do, guys, if the problem is not resolved yet, which like 90% of these people who are going to watch this video, they will get the problem is going to be fixed for them. So if you are one of these 10%, you want to just go to your iPhone settings and click on general and then iPhone storage, and go to your Twitter and search for Twitter, and then click offload app and wait a few seconds and click on reinstall and wait again a few seconds, and now open the app and see if the problem is resolved or not. Hopefully this video helped you. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and see you guys.